Ketosis Advanced is a natural phenolic compound that is the primary aroma compound of red raspberries. We use 100% pure ingredients and don't add any artificial stimulants, additives, or fillers to our formulas. All of our products are inspected by a GMP-certified independent lab registered to ensure we are delivering the best, purest and most potent ingredients right to your door. Revolutionary breakthrough. Why does it have scientists, doctors and celebrities buzzing? Greater than. The most talked about weight loss product is finally here. Ketosis Advanced is a powerful fat-burning weight loss program with a scientifically formulated BHB supplement to help support your instant fat-burning program. Beta-hydroxybutyrate is the first substrate that kicks the metabolic state of Ketosis Advanced into action. If you take it, BHB is able to start processing in your body, resulting in support for success. This advanced Ketosis BHB supplement is a revolutionary breakthrough that has the media in a frenzy. Ketosis Advanced with BHB is here to stay because of the insurmountable success people are having losing up to 1 kilogram of fat per day. See more on here. https://weightloss.btp-store.com/ketosis-advanced. The solution. 1. When your frame is in ketosis, you are absolutely burning stored fats for power and not carbs. 2. Fat is the body's perfect source of strength, and while you are in ketosis you enjoy strength and mental readability like by no means before, and of direction very speedy weight reduction. Nutritional ketosis has been believed too difficult to obtain, till now. What do you get? The 30-day Ketosis Advanced Supplement and Weight Loss Program Manual. This is sweeping the kingdom. Ketosis Advanced Electricity Ketones puts your frame in ketosis. Ketosis Superior is a supplement and keto eating regimen program that allows the body to start changing into a kingdom of ketosis, featuring a special mixture of elements. Ketosis Advanced is a safe and simple manner to guide a ketosis eating regimen. The Ketosis Advanced complement carries beta-hydroxybutyrate, BHB, and helps the metabolic state and supports ketosis into action. Revisiting the scenario from before, if you either take supplemental bureaucracy or in case your frame is making beta-hydroxybutyrate, it may begin processing in your frame. Beta-hydroxybutyrate floats around in your blood, and importantly, can cross exclusive vital boundaries on the way to become electricity at all times. One of the maximum crucial regions where this happens is inside the mind. The blood-mind barrier, BBB, is often a very tightly regulated interface, but due to the fact that BHB is this sort of rock star and so hydrophilic, your brain knows to allow it in so it can guide energy. That is one of the principal reasons why accelerated BHB levels can lead to heightened mental acuity. Get narrow, healthful, and assured once more with our unique Ketosis Superior program. Best for both men and women, Ketosis Advanced is a dynamic and effective ketosis nutritional application with a purpose to help weight reduction, sell abdominal fat burn, and aid better digestion and sleep. The Ketosis Advanced software supports weight loss, burning fat in problem areas, getting into ketosis rapid, burning fat for strength without the jitters, higher mind health, preserving lean muscle. 30, 90 and 180-day plans available. Get started today at https://weightloss.btp-store.com/ketosis-advanced.